This 70s girl knows how to make jeans into bell bottoms. I'm upcycling this small pair of jeans for my granddaughter. You can use any fabric you'd like for the insets, but I'm using this designed chambray fabric. Measure from the knee down and then use a seam ripper to take out the hems and all 4 of the seams up to that measurement that you took earlier. We're going to make our own pattern, and I have complete instructions for this over on the website. So it's real easy if you follow along step by step. We use that pattern to cut out 4 of the insets from your fabric and then pin them into those openings that you made. Stitch them on your sewing machine. It's straight stitching, but a little bit tighter because of that V. They turn out really cute. So this 70s girl does know how to make jeans into bell bottoms. For more sewing projects and other crafts, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.